a sleek, futuristic cityscape with digital data streams flowing through the air. In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, a new contender has emerged, poised to redefine the landscape. Introducing DeepSeek AI, a revolutionary language model that combines cutting-edge technology with unprecedented efficiency. A digital representation of DeepSeek AI's architecture, highlighting its mixture of experts model. At its core, DeepSeek AI employs a mixture of experts architecture, activating 21 billion parameters for each token processed, out of a total of 236 billion. This design enables specialized processing for diverse tasks, enhancing both performance and efficiency. A side-by-side comparison of DeepSeek AI and other leading AI models. When benchmarked against industry leaders, DeepSeek AI demonstrates remarkable capabilities. In the math benchmark, it achieves an accuracy of 75.7%, comparable to the state-of-the-art GPT-4o. A user interacting with DeepSeek AI through a chat interface. Designed for versatility, DeepSeek AI excels in tasks ranging from natural language understanding to complex code generation. Its open-source nature ensures accessibility and fosters innovation across various industries. A visual representation of DeepSeek AI's cost-effectiveness. Beyond performance, DeepSeek AI offers a cost-effective solution. Its efficient architecture reduces training costs by 42.5% and minimizes the key value cache by 93.3%, making advanced AI capabilities more accessible than ever before. The DeepSeek AI logo appears against a backdrop of a digital globe. DeepSeek AI is not just a tool. It's a gateway to the future of artificial intelligence. Experience the next generation of AI technology today. DeepSeek AI, redefining intelligence.